Vision Pro is out to the masses, and in my less than 24 hours of use, I can tell you that this thing is definitely the next generation of technology. But if you have one, chances are you're going to want to share your experiences with your friends or family. But how do you do that? Let me talk to you. What's up, people? This your boy Viper, the man about tech, back again for the video. Hey, yes, if you have an Apple Vision Pro, chances are you're going to want to share that device with your friends or family. But as you know, when you log into the Apple Vision Pro, it logs in with Optic ID, with your eyeballs, so it's pretty secure in that way. But that means, how do you go about sharing your device with your friends or family who want to experience it for themselves? Well, I guess you could tell them to go to the Apple Store and sign up for a demo, but you don't want to be that guy or girl, do you? You don't want to be that guy or girl. So the Apple Vision Pro actually does have a guest mode. So what you want to do is that when you're in the headset, you want to slightly tilt your head up. And when you do that, there should be an arrow hovering above you, which you'll want to click on as such. And then when you click on the arrow, that will take you to the control center. Once you're in that control center, if you look at the row of icons, there should be an icon that has a dash circle with a head inside of it. That is guest mode. Click on that. And then once you click on it, it will ask you about the app that you want your guests to be allowed to see. So you can let them see everything that you got going on, or you can limit their experience to whatever app that you want to limit their experience to. And then once you figure that out, you want to go back and then hit start. And the Vision Pro will say that your guest mode experience will begin in 5 minutes or whatever. So at that point, you will want to transfer the headset from you to your friend or relative that wants to experience it. When your friends or family puts the headset on, they will be greeted by a Vision Pro tutorial. It will track their eye, track their hand. It will take them through a brief tutorial of how to navigate the OS. And then they can experience Vision Pro for themselves. But let me know, did you go out and get a Vision Pro this weekend? What are your thoughts about Apple Vision Pro? Drop a comment. I will have a lot more content coming on the Apple Vision Pro in the days and weeks ahead. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and come back to the man about tech.